During the last 15 months of the working of the Constitution, certain difficulties have been brought to light by judicial decisions and pronouncements, especially in regard to the chapter of fundamental rights. The citizen's right to freedom of speech and expression guaranteed by Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket A has been held by some courts to be so comprehensive as not a render person culpable even if he advocates murder and other crimes of violence. In other countries with written constitutions, freedom of speech and of the press is not regarded as debarring the state from punishing or preventing abuse of this freedom. The citizen's right to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business conferred by Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket G is subject to reasonable restrictions which the laws of the state may impose in the interests of general public. While the words cited are comprehensive enough to cover any scheme of nationalization which the state may undertake, it is desirable to place the matter beyond doubt by a clarificatory addition to Article 19 within bracket 6. Another article in regard to which unanticipated difficulties have arisen is Article 31. The validity of agrarian reform measures passed by the state legislatures in the last 3 years has, in spite of the provisions of clauses 4 and 6 of Article 31, formed the subject matter of dilatory litigation, as a result of which the implementation of these important measures affecting large numbers of people has been held up. The main objects of this bill are accordingly and amend Article 19 for the purposes indicating above and to insert provisions fully securing the constitutional validity of Jamidari abolition laws in general and certain specified state acts in particular. The opportunity has been taken to propose a few minor amendments to other articles in order to remove difficulties that may arise. It is laid down in Article 46 as a directive principle of state policy that the state should promote with special care the educational and economic interests of the weaker sections of the people and protest them from social injustice. In order that any special provisions that the state may make for the educational, economic or social advancement of any backward class of citizens may not be challenged on the ground of being discriminatory, it is proposed that Article 15 within bracket 3 should be suitably amplified. Certain amendments in respect of articles dealing with the convening and proroguing of the sessions of Parliament have been found necessary and are also incorporated in this bill. So also a few minor amendments in respect of Articles 341, 342, 372 and 376. Stop.